मुझे 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 एक साल पहले किसी ने बोला था कि मैंने पूछा क्या कैरेक्टर है, एंड दे सेड बबली लड़की है। आई सेड हाँ बट क्या है? बबली है।
बबली है पर क्या है? आई नो।
ये एक बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट कुछ लोग हैं हमारी इंडस्ट्री के जो है कास्टिंग डायरेक्टर्स, और उनके बारे में बोलने का कभी मौका नहीं मिलता है.
So every time I had to prove, I had to fight. But now these casting directors are there and they look beyond.
And I have been waiting. I have said no. I have been branded and labeled. So which is I'm just thinking what all to take. सबने क्या क्या बोला है, सब तो बोल दिया है.
अरे अपन वैसे भी बात करेंगे, लेकिन 8 तारीख के बात करेंगे ना. अभी वुमेन डे आने तो देना तू, फिर उसके बाद देखते हैं क्या करना है. हाय, आई एम अमृता सुभाष.
हाय, मैं हूँ कल की. हाय, मैं हूँ श्वेता बासु प्रसाद.
Hi, मैं हूँ सुरवीन.
Hi, मैं हूँ दिव्या दत्ता और आप देख रहे हैं और बताओ.
और बताओ स्तुति के साथ.
Hi guys, welcome to yet another episode of और बताओ. और अभी जो फेमिनिन एनर्जी आपको स्क्रीन पे नजर आ रही है, सीधा इन्हीं से पूछेंगे और बताओ. सो जॉइनिंग मी टुडे इज अमृता सुभाष, दिव्या दत्ता, कल्की केकला, श्वेता बासु प्रसाद एंड सुरवीन चावला. वेलकम टू द शो लेडीज.
Thank you.
अच्छा, बहुत ही us versus them लग रहा है और बहुत मेहनत मुशक्कत के बाद फाइनली दिस कन्वर्सेशन इज हैपनिंग. सो आई विल स्टार्ट बाय saying thank you for entertaining us. Especially 2020 इतना ही अजीबो-गरीब साल था, but with the online content, with OTT platforms churning out such interesting stuff, you guys kept us hooked. So मेरा पहला सवाल of course is कि ये जो whole process है of getting the role, because the one defining feature these days is कि casting इतनी on point होती है that when we are watching it, suddenly you can't imagine anyone else in that role, irrespective of the length of the role, irrespective of who's playing the lead or the ensemble. But it's just fantastic, the talent that we have now and the casting that happens. So probably starting with Amrita, I'd want each one of you to tell me आपके लेटेस्ट नेटफ्लिक्स शो के बारे में आप बता सकते हैं about the casting and the whole audition process and how you met your dream role. If I could say that.
Thank you for asking this question because ये एक बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट कुछ लोग हैं हमारी इंडस्ट्री के जो है कास्टिंग डायरेक्टर्स, और उनके बारे में बोलने का कभी मौका नहीं मिलता है. और मुझे लगता है इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. मेरा हर रोल मुझे ऑडिशन से मिला है. एवरी रोल, लाइक इंक्लूडिंग जो कुछ मैंने नेटफ्लिक्स पे किया हो, एवरी रोल आई हैव गॉट बिकॉज ऑफ द ऑडिशंस. और ऑडिशंस जो लेते हैं वो अगर गड़बड़ है ना तो हम गड़बड़ हो सकते हैं, यू नो. सो
तो लिली के लिए कितना पहले ऑडिशन में डांस आपको करना पड़ा क्या? बिकॉज इट्स आल्सो अ कैरेक्टर व्हिच इज सो फिजिकल. इन
अबाउट लिली, आई एम रियली थैंकफुल टू श्रुति महाजन who is the casting director, because frankly Alankrita is saying it openly कि जब उनको पहले मेरा नाम सुझाया कि भाई लिली के लिए हम अमृता को ट्राई करें, so she said I like अमृता but लिली बार डांसर, I'm not trying, like imagine नहीं हो पा रहा है. Then Shruti said we will audition her, we can say no, you know, we can tell her oh sorry we auditioned but this didn't work out. So she said okay, will she audition? So she said let's see, and then she asked me and I said yes, because of course जो मेरे पहले वाले रोल्स आए उस और ये रोल completely different है. Then डांस नहीं, एक सीन of course मैंने किया जिसमें डांस का एक बीट था, but there was this spirit and I did that scene. And what I was saying is कि वो सामने जो कास्टिंग डायरेक्टर थी जो डायलॉग्स दे रही थी वो अगर गड़बड़ करती है तो सी एज एन एक्टर इट हैज़ टू गिव एंड टेक ना. तो वो अगर गड़बड़ करती है तो हमारा भी परफॉर्मेंस गलत जा सकता है, एंड देन देर आर चांसेस दैट वी लूज आउट. सो मुझे सीक्रेट गेम से सारे रोल्स मैंने उन कास्टिंग डायरेक्टर्स को पर्सनली बाद में फ़ोन किया है कि थैंक यू, आई गॉट द रोल एंड यू हैव अ बिग शेयर इन दैट, थैंक यू सो मच. सो येस, श्रुति ने मुझसे डांस करवाया एंड देन लिली हैपेंड, you know. पर डांस बाद में सीखना पड़ा.
पोलाइटली मुझसे बात करो, आई एम मिसिंग हाउ लिली टॉक्स.
ओह अरे अपन वैसे भी बात करेंगे, लेकिन 8 तारीख के बात करेंगे ना. अभी वुमेन डे आने तो देना तू, फिर उसके बाद देखते हैं क्या करना है. अपन को ऐसा नहीं अच्छा लगता. ठीक से बात कर अपन से तू.
This is great fun.
Yeah, I think ever since I joined the industry, the biggest challenge has not been work as such. It's been not being branded, and here the industry loves that. तो and I think I started doing these different kind of roles, like she says, unconventional. बहुत पहले से तो people didn't know where to fit me in, कि इसको commercial बोलें कि art house बोलें कि क्या करें. तो जो फिल्म आती थी उसके बाद मैं वैसी ब्रांड हो जाती थी. So it was Veer Zara, then I was flooded with those kind of vivacious roles and chirpy roles, and then I sat at home for 1 year. And I said, I'm not going to work. But I don't want to go on every set looking and feeling the same. And that's boring for me. And how about the audience? So I sat at home, and my mother thought she's totally, completely lost the plot, because the biggest of banners coming with so much money. Hello, do this role. But no, didn't do it. And then came Dilli Che. Dilli Che ke baad I was flooded with sensuous roles. So then it became like a game for me. Ki, Achha, chalo, abhi kya karna hai? Abhi kuch aur karte hain. So it became like that. But thanks to these casting directors who've come by now, they have a perception which probably a lot of makers sometimes oversee or overlook, because उनके दिमाग में बहुत चीज़ें चल रही होती हैं. They're seeing the entire film. अब जैसे बदलापुर थी, I'm very proud to say कि मैंने खुद जाके श्री राम को कहा था मुझे ये फिल्म करनी है. मेरा मन किया कि मुझे ये फिल्म का हिस्सा होना है. तो आई डोंट फील अशेम्ड टू से कि मैंने अप्रोच किया उस रोल के लिए, बिकॉज मुझे पता है मैं इस फिल्म में क्या कर सकती हूँ. शायद वो मुझे नहीं जानते. And that was true, and that film happened for me, and I think it was a magical experience for me as an actor. So that apart, I'm saying these casting directors have a assigned job to see who fits into the role. Now, like she said, Alankrita, I didn't think of her as Lily. For me, जब मैंने heroine की थी, तो heroine के लिए they said too sweet faced यार, इसको कैसे हम ऐसा वाला रोल दे दें जो थोड़ा shrewd है, थोड़ी street smart है. How? So that time Madhur really sided me and said, no, I think we will. I said, it's the attitude, yaar. So every time I had to prove, I had to fight. But now these casting directors are there and they look beyond. And that's so lovely. And now for the past, I must say, 2 years, that fight has become kind of little this, and I am getting roles that I don't have to fight for. I'm like, yay, you're giving me this? This is so different from what I've done. So they see you differently, and I'm so delighted, and I'm very thankful and grateful that we have these people. There's a separate department which looks into this, which gives the rightful actors their rightful roles, and I think that's a great thing.
Perfectly put. I think your versatility becomes your strength.
I didn't
You know,
see that
with your look, I mean, Bollywood has always viewed you in a particular way. That they like to do that. Girl with, you know, within quotes, behaves in a particular way, dresses in a particular way. How easy or tough is it for you to break free from that image?
Yeah, it takes a lot of waiting. I even had to do a film called Waiting. It takes a lot of waiting in between, and in between I keep sane by doing theatre and writing my own stuff, because I don't want to not practice my craft. Like anyone else, if you don't keep doing it, you know, you lose a certain muscularity. So yeah, that's my way of doing it. I've never been good at auditioning. Devdi was my first film audition, but before that I'd done plenty of terrible theatre auditions, one of which was for Rehan Engineer for a musical called Into the Woods, where I was outside waiting, and I was hearing these incredible like opera singers, and I'm not trained at all, and I had just come with a stupid song, and I got there, and I literally like froze and said, I'm not going to waste your time, okay, bye. And I ran out, you know. So from that to then going to the audition for Devdi, where I saw the script in Hindi, and I was like, no, this is not for me. I can't speak this Hindi. So they said, fine, do it in English. And I did the audition in English for Gautam Kischandani, who, by the way, has also auditioned me for Netflix for Sacred Games. But yeah, they loved the audition in English, and then, you know, I got the chance to work on my Hindi and re-audition. But even now, you know, with the Sacred Games audition, I was like clueless. And I was like, should I do it with the French accent, or should I do it like this? Should I? And you really don't know, you know, what you're aiming in the dark, and you totally have to trust your casting director. So it really does depend on what they're looking for. And as Divya said, I think that has changed. And you know, it's not just about looking for a pretty face. You know, before it was like, look sahi nahi hai, or you know, you're not right for this. But now they're actually saying, no, we want to see the character, we want to see these emotions. So that's great.
I think that's wonderful, because see, every department cinema is a storytelling medium, and every department is telling a story, whether it's in the editor, whether it's the cinematographer, whether it's the production designers, writers, actors, everybody, including the casting directors. So like what she said, that sometimes the filmmaker might miss out. जब आप एक पूरी फिल्म देख रहे हैं, आपके कई सारे किरदार हैं, आपको गाना भी देखना है और प्रोडक्शन भी देखना है और हज़ार चीज़ें देखनी है, you might not see an actor in a certain way because आपने you're not questioning the credibility or the talent of the actor. You just don't know if they fit the role. And the fact that Shruti Mahajan fought for you, I think that's incredible. And that's fair. That's how this process should be, as opposed to getting it on because you know somebody. I think it is fair that you get work on merit. And like what you said, it's wonderful that you have to keep exercising. I mean, as actors, you read, you watch films, you watch theatre, you can write if you can write. But how else do you exercise your craft? For me, auditioning is such an important part of my work, because for me, it's yet another day in front of the camera. I love acting. अब वो मैं सेट पे करूँ या ऑडिशन में करूँ, मुझे तो एक नया किरदार मिल रहा है, मुझे खेलने को मिल रहा है. तो मेरे लिए तो बड़ा ही एक्साइटिंग प्रोसेस होता है और मैं बहुत ही तैयारी के साथ दही चीनी खा के निकलती ऑडिशन के लिए. तो and also the times that we're living in, that it's because it's such a fair process. Even if you don't get it, even if you don't get the project, it's still an experience. It's still एक डायलॉग आपने पढ़ लिया, एक किसी के साथ आपने एक एक्सरसाइज ही कर लिया. How else are you exercising otherwise? I mean, I don't do theatre. So for actors like me, how else are you exercising? Part of being an actor is also to say no, which is very important. Especially where we are as actors right now, you don't know if these guys are going to call you for audition again. You don't know if you'll get this work again. But I think sometimes you have to be true to your craft, your talent and yourself, and say no. अगर ये आपको लग रहा है कि आपको टाइपकास्ट कर रहा है, अगर ये आपको लग रहा है कि ये आपको वही दे रहा है जो they are not trying to push you as an actor, if you're not pushing yourself as an artist, तो फिर क्या ही मतलब है? I mean, we are doing this because we love our job, because we are artists, and because we want to, not two paintings can be the same. So you cannot do two characters back to back.
Surveen, you have a new show on Netflix.
Yes, I do. And very delightfully doing something that I've not done before. Thankfully, the casting directors and the director and the entire team and the producers had a vision to put me in another light, to want to see me in another light. And I have been waiting. I have said no. I have been branded and labeled. So which is, I'm just thinking, what all to take? सबने क्या बोला है, सब तो बोल दिया है. So I think it's a culmination of everybody's collective experience, which I completely agree with, and has been my experience. And I'm honestly, I suck at auditions. Really bad. मतलब my heart is in my mouth. Please मत बुलाओ मुझे audition के लिए. Though I am in full support of getting casted via an audition rather than saying कि हाँ आप दिखते वैसे हो. Like very recently, I had an experience where I was told, yeah, you perfectly fit it, but I think you're a little too fair for the part. अरे पर वो तो dusky हो सकते हैं ना. There is makeup to do that, right? But if on my merit, if you think I fit the part, then I fit the part, yeah. So anyway, so these kind of experiences keep happening. But yes, like I said, I'm doing comedy now. I'm doing a comedy drama now, and I have been waiting like forever. कि मतलब इंतहा हो गई इंतजार की कि कब मुझे इस बॉक्स से हटा के कोई अलग boxes में रखेगा. I'd rather not have a box, yeah. Why do that? And I think that's where casting directors come into place, because I feel as their job, skillfully their job, I think they are the right people to kind of, who can really see you playing different parts. Like one of you, I think, rightly said, कि डायरेक्टर्स के दिमाग में बहुत कुछ चल रहा होता है. अमृता said that.
मुझे एक साल पहले किसी ने बोला था कि मैंने पूछा क्या कैरेक्टर है, and they said बबली लड़की है. I said हाँ, but क्या है? बबली है.
बबली है पर क्या है? I know. You all have touched on such interesting points. I wish I could, have a longer conversation, but time constraint hai. Mera ek question with, we're talking about streaming and Women's Day is round the corner. One experience that you have had, particularly because of your gender. If you had not been a woman, you would never have had to face that in the industry. Is there any such one experience that you could probably quickly share?
One? I don't know where to start from.
I know this is for a longer conversation, but something that you'd want to change that you.
I'm
feel
sure
you
no
face
man has been asked to do a film called Bikini Booth. Yeah. So yeah. I really wanted to do that film, but I was busy looking at the fan in my house, and I didn't do it. Yeah.
It's like ना कुछ याद नहीं आ रहा है ऐसे, but I'm sure सबको कुछ ना कुछ experience तो हर जगह हुआ है. We've all.
Anything that you want to
अब इतनी
change.
आदत हो गई है ना कि it doesn't bother you at that level. At least it doesn't bother me at that level. आदत हो गई है. Not that I'm going to give into it, but आदत हो गई है. One more.
I've also been told to cry less, like openly. Like can you cry from inside because it doesn't look so good on your face. Yeah.
You look pretty even while crying. Yeah. Super. I'm sure that there many such instances, but thank you so much, ladies. Great fun talking to you. And आप कह रहे थे आदत पड़ गई है, but धीरे-धीरे आदत बदल रही है. And even as audiences, I think we want to see more experiments happen. We want to see you delve into other interesting characters. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.